It's your boy MKII. Welcome to another episode. This week has been totally crazy with the coronavirus, the market crash, and now we're all stuck at home. As they say, better be safe than sorry, right? As for me, I'm gonna be making some more music for your ears. And this time, the best way to support an artist is to support the channel. You subscribe to the channel, you save the videos, and you share it with all your friends. So today I'm gonna be making a trap beat, for the likes of Currensy. I'm sure you guys already listen to Currensy, right? He's one of my favorite artists. So it's gonna be a trap, of course, but it's gonna be low fee, it's gonna be chill and laid back. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and look out for more episodes. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. Bye. With all the negative news in the media at the moment, I figured let's make something a little bit more joyful, something that's gonna make you happy a little bit. So we're not looking to make any sad music or melancholic or that type of things. We really gotta make it happy this time. A lot of happy songs and a lot of popular songs are usually up in the higher keys such as A and F. So let's see a little bit what we got up there. It sounds a little bit like Rugrats. So I think we got something nice there. I think we're gonna just switch it up. It sounds a little bit jazzy, but it definitely sounds positive. So that's what I really want. We're gonna just slow it down a bit. That's it. We're just gonna chop it right there. Take out the last note. Boom. Select everything. Quantize it. Put it back. Select everything, quantize it, put it back, pop, pop. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I think we got something real nice there. We gotta keep it, we gotta preserve it, and then we gotta make some drums, right? Before we get too much into the melody, let's get into the drums a little bit. A lot of people don't know this, but I usually combine the complete control settings with my Archive Professional MPD 226. So it allows me to get like a better workflow. Well, in this same drum kit I found a kick, so we got a nice dry and solid kick, yeah? I went a little bit hard on the kick, so what we're gonna do is just lighten it up a little bit. Right, for my favorite part of the beat, the 808s. We're gonna add some 808s, make the whole beat like, you know, shake up a little. I got some 808s. I usually just like to use the one that's in Logic. So if you go right there in the drum kits of the Ultra Beat, you got boutique 808s. I got the Hit Machine. This one is thing. Now the difficulty about 808s is that you have to find the right key, right? So it's always difficult to find it. So I usually go up in a higher octave. Then I just bring it all the way down, you know, because you don't want to play the wrong key, right? All right, there we got it. So there we play it in the higher octave, and then we just have to drop it. So we select everything, and then we just drop it down. So right there, like this, clack, clack, and then. How you like that? So what I'm gonna do, just add a little sample, you know, because I don't like to keep it too ordinary. Let's see. Well, this beat ended up way different than I expected, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, the best way to support your artist right now is to stream the music, subscribe to the channel, and of course, like the page. I hope you guys do it because I'm counting on your support during this time of confinement, so make sure you stay blessed and you stay safe. Stay out of the way of the virus, alright? Bless up.